This is a used 2002 Subaru Outback. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 3-liter engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a power sunroof, leather seats, heated seats, aluminum rims, automatic climate control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, roof rails, cruise control, keyless entry. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, independent suspension, a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.